Okay, so here's my drawing of the brain. So, well, here's the main three parts: is the cerebrum, brainstem, and the cerebellum. Those are the main three parts of the brain. And then you got the sulcus, gyrus, corpus callosum, and pineal gland, and midbrain, transverse fissure, and cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata, spinal cord, thalamus, hypothalamus, and the cerebrum. Okay, so the temporal lobe is for hearing, learning, and feelings. Frontal lobe is thinking, memory, behavior, and movement. Parietal lobe is language and touch. And occipital lobe, there you go, is sight. And brainstem is for breathing, heart rate, and temperature. And the cerebellum is for balance and coordination. Also, some others are the cerebrum, which is the largest part of the brain, and is composed of right and left hemisphere, and it performs higher functions like interpreting, touch, vision, and hearing, as well as speech, reasoning, emotions, learning, and fine control of movement. The hypothalamus plays a role in controlling behaviors such as hunger, thirst, sleep, and sexual response. It also regulates body temperature, blood pressure, emotions, and secretion of hormones. The pituitary gland controls other endocrine glands in the body, and it secretes the hormones that control sexual development, promote bone and muscle growth, and respond to stress. The pineal gland, it helps regulate the body's internal clock and circadian rhythms, and by secreting melatonin, and it has some role in sexual development. Thalamus serves as a relay station for almost all information that comes and goes to the cortex. It plays a role in pain, sensation, attention, and alertness, and memory. The hypothalamus helps keep the body's internal functions in balance, and it helps regulate appetite and weight, and helps regulate body temperature. The midbrain serves important functions in motor movement, particularly movements of the eye, and in auditory and visual processing. Pons is involved in the regulation of functions carried out by the cranial nerves, and it works together with the medulla oblongata to serve an especially critical role in generating the respiratory rhythm of breathing. And active functioning of the pons may also be fundamental to rapid eye movement. Sleep. The medulla oblongata plays an essential role in passing messages between your spinal cord and brain. It's also essential for regulating your cardiovascular and respiratory system. The corpus callosum ensures both sides of the brain. It ensures both sides of the brain can communicate and send signals to each other.